Functional organizer. Create more space in cluttered cabinets and pantries with this very functional organizer. Perfect for organizing pantry goods. Each shelf is 2.75 deep, perfect for organizing spices, soup or vegetable cans, sauces and more. Not limited to just the kitchen. Use outside the kitchen to organize cosmetics, perfume, skincare products, figurines, and office supplies. The possibilities are endless. Durable plastic. The Copco Organizer is made from durable, long-lasting plastic with non-slip shelf lining. Measurements. Measures at 3.5 high by 9 deep by 15 wide. To clean. Wipe with a damp cloth when needed. Winner of the Good Housekeeping 2021 Storage Award. Non-skid cabinet organizers are sized to fit in every kitchen. 3 levels of storage for easy viewing. Non-skid pads are easy to clean. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for cans and spices. This stack is really nice for organizing cans and spices, adding height to the back of the cupboard so that you can see what you have on hand. They are clean and sturdy and really well made. I've purchased several of them and have been completely happy with them in my pantry.